plátanos.
Sí.
Quiero plátano.
Ajá.
And there's leche dulce leche.
You only want the banana, yeah?
No, I want the banana in there, yeah?
Huh?
Which one is that?
I want that in the banana, yeah?
And,
Yeah, see?
yes. Oh,
Sí.
quiere un camote también.
Oh, gracias. Does he put it in it?
No.
Oh, okay. I
Pen-
don't know, I've never done this.
pensó que le
Canela.
Sí, por favor.
pensó que le ponía el plátano adentro del camote.
I don't
Una torta, ¿no?
Can I get it para llevar with like a bolsa?
¿Un camote?
Sí.
Sí, por favor.
Oh, super big.
Wow.
¿Se los puede poner en bolsa a los dos?
Con canela igual, ¿verdad?
¿Tiene bolsa?
Si quieres, le pongo una.
Sí, porque son para llevar, por favor.
Sí. ¿No más o otro más?
Nada más.
No más.
Gonna eat it all to want.
Hold it later.
Want.
Can you ask him to do the whistly thing for me?
Do you pay?
Oh yeah. Get this in the action.
Oye,
Dice que si le puede hacer el ruidito para su video.
That's still loud me covering my ears. Muchas gracias, amiga. So I'm about to enjoy some of this camote. It's like a sweet potato that's been in I don't know, it's like an oven slash steamer. You saw the machine earlier on. And we got some extra condensed milk. It's called la lechera. Lechera? The lechera. So I'm going to chuck a bit of extra of that on, make it a bit extra sweet. Oh yeah, look at that. And I've got my banana here, so it's a pretty good dessert, I'll say. Pretty hefty anyways. Give it a crack. It's good. It's got a bit of cinnamon in it as well. I've had one of these before, only one. Yeah, I enjoy it. A few extra calories as well, which is good. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.